Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am your science teacher Aruj Far, and today we are going to start unit number 7, that is force. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to define force and understand the kinds of force. But first of all, we need to know what is force. Forces are actually pushes and pulls. You push something away from yourself or pull something towards yourself by applying force on it. For example, when you write, you exert a force on your pen or pencil because you push and pull it across the paper. Now, how do the forces change the way the things move? Once something changes position, falls, flies up into the air, turns, stops, or moves in any kind of way, we say that the force has acted upon it. Whenever the speed, direction of motion and the shape of an object is changing, we say that the force is acting upon it. Coming towards the kinds of force, pushes and pulls are forces. Forces are produced by people, animals, and machines. The wind and the flowing water can also act as forces. To explain it, we will take two examples. Firstly, the door is being closed by applying the push force. In the second picture, as you can see, the boat is moving due to the force of the wind. The boat will move in that direction in which the wind is applying the force. As now you have understood the concept of pushes and pulls and how the force changes the direction of motion of some object, for your home assignment, give 3 examples of how force can change the direction of an object. You can send me your home assignments at this email ID. In case of any questions, you can always contact me at this email ID. This is the end of today's lecture. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.